so schön, wunderbar wie bei einem kleinen Mädchen.
Ja,
Sehr schön sieht es aus. Und was?
We are making a video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing my hair and Adele is gonna be doing my hair for me. She's the one who is always making me beautiful. Her and Jenny. Right? Big up yourself, Jenny. So today we're going to do small tiny plaits. Yeah, so but during that I want to share with you the products I've been using. I change my products all the time, but I usually use one brand, so if it damages my hair or break it, I know exactly what is breaking it. Or if I use two brands, they're brands that I've used separately before and I'm using them together, so probably the combination is not good for me. So after I did that braid in Portugal, I took them out. This is my hair after I took the braids out. I washed it and did like a mask treatment to strengthen and restore the hair, because the heat exposure and all that, I was worried that my hair is gonna break. So as you can see, Adele is using like a massive comb. I got this tip from a YouTuber, my very good friend. We went to school together. Her name is on YouTube, Natural Jermin, and she did a review on combs, and she had this like a tiny comb and this big one, and I'm like, why wasn't I using this type of comb long time ago? But anyways, now I'm using it, and I have another one, this one, for like making lines and stuff. So when I took out the braids, I did a co-wash. Should I help you? Okay, just before you start, okay, before she starts, I want her to put some contour more on, yeah, like all over and on my ends, because it kind of feels dry. Yeah. You can do it as you part it, or you can just put it all over. So that would put some more moisture in my hair. That's a leave-in conditioner. So before I braid the hair, she's putting some leave-in conditioner to make sure the ends are nice and moisturized and everything nice. And also some coconut oil she'll put as well. Yes, so when I took out the braids, I did a co-wash with this from Shea Moisture, and it's M-Seed and Mogongo. I hope I'm pronouncing it right, and it's for high porosity hair type, and it moisturizes and corrects your hair. So because of the damage, the heat damage, I thought I would do something like this, and it's suitable for like damaged hair, color treatments. After the co-wash, I did this treatment. Oh my god, you can't see it. I'm officially a YouTuber. See it? Yeah, that's also from Shea Moisture, and it's Jamaican black castor oil strengthen and restore treatment mask. So what I did, I basically put it on my hair and then left it for like, I didn't realize that I was supposed to wash it out. So I left it in until the next morning. Then I was just curious, because I thought it was to be left in. Then just out of curiosity, I was reading, then I saw leave in for 30 minutes, then wash out. Then I ran to the bathroom and washed it out. But yeah, however, my hair still felt really nice, and you know, it felt healthy. And then when I was finished with that, I made big plaits so my hair could dry, because I dried it naturally. And then I went in with the contour, this one, my favorite. I went in with this is the leave-in conditioner. Can I see it again? The leave-in conditioner and coconut oil. Leave-in conditioner you can put in after you finish washing your hair and do all that nice stuff. You can put the leave-in conditioner in but I kind of like to use it also when I'm before bed. When I have my hair open, every night I plait my hair before I go to bed. I make big plaits, so usually it comes at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plaits. Now I can do 8 plaits. When it's shorter, I'm doing like, so just a quick run through again. I use this to wash, it's a co-wash. Then I did a mask treatment with this Shea Moisture. Then when that was washed out and dry, I added the leave-in conditioner and coconut oil to my scalp. The leave-in conditioner was all over, and then I made big plaits. I wasn't going anywhere the next day or throughout that day, so I just made big plaits, left them in like that, and that's how I've been wearing my hair since I removed those cornrows. I've been going to work, going out, shopping, stuff. I just open the plaits, comb the hair, leave it in a fro, put something over it, and then when I'm home in the evening, I do my plaits again. Usually putting in the leave-in conditioner and the coconut oil in it for moisture. Sometimes if I think it feels too dry, I'll spray some water on it, but I don't always spray water. Now I'm doing, Adele is fixing me up and doing my braids with my natural hair, so I'm not adding anything to it. I'm just doing normal braids, but small braids, and I hope to keep it for a month. If it doesn't last for a month, 3 weeks. If not 3 weeks, 2 weeks, who knows how long it will stay. But that's a protective style, and I don't have to comb my hair. I don't lose so much hair for a month or 3 weeks or 2 weeks. So yes, that's what I'm doing with my hair. We'll come back when it's all done. We're excited. Woohoo! We're gonna watch Netflix now, Netflix, and chill and do hair. And then when it's done or almost done, we'll come back. Show you my beautiful hair. Good morning, everyone. It is day 2 and my hair is still not finished. I have a big head, so it takes time. So what is it called? Oh, it's French. Wow. And how long did it take you to lose the 7 kilos? 4 weeks. Is it like a low carb diet or?
Not like I eat only one time in the day. Then I do fasting, not dry fasting.
Yeah.
But I do. I drink too much juice, plantain juice.
Ah, yeah, plant-based juice. Okay.
Like celery,
Celery. Cucumber, yeah.
Cucumber, ingwer. Yes, I make juice with ingwer.
I tried that diet once, but boy, it didn't work for me.
Really?
Because I have nothing to chew on. I want to.
Me, you have to eat. Just try to eat only. I can eat 2 times, but from 12 to 6 I can eat.
Okay.
Then after I didn't eat.
Guys, that's a very important point. Your health, what you eat, is so important for your hair growth and your hair journey and the healthiness. I don't have long hair naturally. I don't have long hair, so if you're watching this video, you won't see a result where my hair gets very long and so on. But what I try to do is minimize the shedding and minimize the single strand knots on my ends. That's what I aim to do, not to get long hair, but I want to have healthy hair, and that means I have to eat healthy. As my dear friend Adele said just now, we have to eat healthy, and we have to drink a lot of water, and we have to take our vitamins. I mean, all this contributes to a healthy hair. So we're checking in, quick check-in. We're almost finished. We have like, yes, a handful left. Look at my beautiful hair. Up top is longer than the back, so the back is really curly, and up top is more stretchy. Oh yeah. 1 minute, Adele, let me just show them your great job. Okay, when it's finished, we'll come back and have like a review, a little talk. See you soon. I absolutely love my braids, my plait. They are so beautiful. So Adele is gone, and now it's just up to me to take care of the hair. As I don't know if you can see very well, but the ends are a little bit open. That is for a reason. So when I'm opening it, it's easier to open, and I don't have to like tear my hair open. But while it's like this, I'm gonna moisturize it, of course wash it, do my normal routine. So until next hair video, I'll see you soon. Bye. Water, we have to take our vitamins. I mean, all this contributes to a healthy hair. Healthier hair. I'm Jamaican, people, so if you don't hear like an H, or if you don't hear a TH, just know I'm Jamaican. We leave those things off all the time. I'm not gonna use all of this in the video, it's too long. But it's good talk, it's real talk. Why is my eye so bad? This eye, this eye is very bad. My whole head. I'm so excited. David is jealous. He's home today because he has tummy ache. So, catch you later.